Welcome to Roy's Motoventures. I'm your host, Roy. In today's video, my brother decided to purchase and install a couple vent accents, black ones, for his Goldwing, his 22 Goldwing. They go on his side panel vents, and he bought a set that goes on his front fender vents. Something just to give it a little, how do you want to say it? Just to make it his own. It splits up the color of all the blue. They look good. So this is just a quick little video, and we'll get right to it.
I'm also over in my garage today to add on some cosmetics to the 22 Goldwing. I bought some more cosmetics, and I'll show you what I have here. I bought these show chrome. Basically, they're just little front fender vent accent and side panel vent accent. Okay, they're from Show Chrome. Basically, it's just a little cosmetic to fill in the holes. I think they have some 3M tape on them. And they actually go, the side vent ones go right here. And the front ones go right there. So I'm going to clean it up real quick. Make sure you clean this up real well, because you want it nice and clean, so that, because the 3M tape's got to stick to it. And I'll show you what it looks like when I get them on there. So before you go put them on, always do a little, before you take off the cover to the tape, always do a little test fit to make sure they fit good. Okay? And then you pull the tape off the back, and then just press it on there. I'll show you what it looks like when I get them all done. Alright, they turned out pretty good. That's what it looks like. Alright. And then this is what the front looks like. I actually kind of like it, especially on this blue and black. It worked out great. So, all right, well, that's that. Just a little cosmetic. Thank you for watching.
All right, that was just my brother's quick little video on his little side vents for his 2022 Honda Goldwing. Little black accents that go right into the vent holes on his side panels and on his fender. So if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell so you're notified of when I put out new videos. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What do you think about those little accents on the Goldwing? It just gives it a little different detail on the bike, you know. And yeah, we'll see you next time on Roy's Motoventures. Thanks. Bye.